Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start our topic, that is introduction of fractions. So we are talking about fractions when we are having the whole part and we have to divide it into equal two parts or three equal parts and four equal parts, then it is called a fraction. Okay, so let's see what we are having in fraction here. So here we are having a picture, that is, here there is one apple and we have divided into two unequal parts. Here we are having a pizza. Again, we are having two unequal parts. And here we have same pizza and we have divided into two equal parts. So we are having a fraction in these kinds of things. Okay, now move to next part, that is one half. Okay, here we are having one half, that is, so here we are having a whole pizza, that is one half, and this full pizza is divided into two equal parts. So this 1/2 part or half part is a fraction part. Okay, so when we divide picture in two equal parts, then we can say it that is one half or 1/2 part. Now come to next. So here is one more statement, that is two halves makes one whole. Okay. So here we are having another portion. Okay, here we are having 1/3. So 1/3 is 1/3 and 1/3 and 1/3. So in 1/3 we have to divide the whole picture or image or anything in three equal parts. So here we are in three equal parts and we have shaded one single part. So this is our 1/3 part. So now we are having our exercise, that is 9.1, and write the fraction for the shaded parts, and one has been done for you. Okay. So listen. So here we are having a fraction, that is 1/4 or 1/4. So here is a denominator, that is 4, and this shows the number of parts. So total number of parts. Okay. And after that we are having this one as a numerator and this shows shaded part. Okay. So let's pick this one. Just draw our division line. Here we are having how many parts? Four parts and shaded part is one. Okay. So let's take one more question. This one. This triangle is divided into how many parts? One, two, three, four. So we are having four, and how many shaded parts are there? That is one. Okay. Okay, let's move to our second question, that is shade one half of the following figures with a pencil. Okay, let's see. This is one half. So we have to shade half part. So how many parts are there in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to divide it the half part. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 parts out of 8 parts. So we can say that 4/8, or we can say that this is 1/2 half part. Okay, here we are having question number 3. Shade one half of each collection. So let's see how many figures are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So half of 14. If we solve it, that is 7. Okay. So let's shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay. Okay. So this is the. Now we are having four equal parts or for one whole. So now if we divide one whole figure or item into four equal parts and we take one part from it, that is 1/4 of it. Okay. So this is a whole part, one whole. So we have divided into four unequal parts and here we are having four equal parts. So this is our 1/4 of the fraction. Clear? So now come to our exercise 9.2. Here we are having put tick on the figure which shows four equal parts of one pole. Okay. So if we look here, we are having this figure, one, two, three, four equal parts. Okay. And this also. Now you have to find the other four 1/4 figures. Okay. So here we are having, that is 1/4 or a quarter. When we talk about 1/4, it is a quarter because a quarter shows 1/4 part from the pole. Okay. So this figure is divided into 4 equal parts. If we talk about one part, just like this, so this will be 1 by 4. Okay. Now come to next part, that is we write a quarter or 1/4, and that is 1 by 4. Now move to next part. Here we are having exercise 9.3 and color 1 by 4 for each of figure. 1 by 4 of each figure. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's pick this one first. So this is 1 by 4 part of the figure. After that we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1 by 4 part of it. Clear? Now come to question number 2. Here we are in color 1/4 of each collection. So there are total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 are 16 figures are there. So we have to, there are 4 rows. Sorry, we are having 4 columns. So we have to shade one column. That is 1 by 4 of it. Okay, if we see here we are having mangoes. How many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 are 12. So 1 by 4 of 12 is 3. So we have to shade 3 mangoes. Clear? In the same way, you have to solve the rest parts. Okay, this is done. Okay, students, I hope you all have cleared the concept of fraction. Now, thank you so much for listening us carefully. See you next video. Till then, all the best.